I am AI avatar of CA Ratan Mundara in India's Bullion import framework is undergoing a quiet but significant transformation. The International Financial Services Centres Authority, IFSCA, has issued key amendments that expand access to the India International Bullion Exchange or IIBX, making bullion imports more inclusive, efficient and export aligned. Until now, participation in IIBX was governed by narrow eligibility criteria, creating operational friction for exporters, SEZ units, and silver importers. The latest amendments reflect a strategic policy shift from restriction to facilitation, while maintaining regulatory discipline. First, a major relief for SEZ jewelry units. IFSCA has now explicitly enabled SEZ jewelry units holding a valid letter of approval or LOA to import gold and silver through IIBX. Importantly, turnover and net worth thresholds have been relaxed, acknowledging the export-oriented nature of SEZ manufacturing rather than domestic trading benchmarks. For the first time, advance authorization holders have been formally brought into the IIBX ecosystem. Imports through IIBX are now permitted strictly against export obligations under the foreign trade policy, ensuring that bullion imports remain production-linked, traceable, and compliant. A significant compliance easing applies to silver bars classified under ITC HS 710692221. The requirement to be notified as a qualified jeweler has been removed. This single change widens access dramatically, allowing a broader set of IEC holders to import silver through IIBX without unnecessary procedural barriers. IFSCA has also streamlined continuous compliance norms, clarified suspension triggers, and refined SEZ-specific delivery mechanisms. These changes reduce ambiguity, improve predictability, and ensure smooth settlement and delivery operations within the IIBX framework. Taken together, these amendments represent a calibrated policy evolution from a narrow eligibility-driven model to a trade-facilitative, export-aligned bullion market architecture. IIBX is now positioned not just as a trading platform, but as India's primary gateway for transparent, compliant bullion imports. For exporters, SEZ units, and bullion market participants, this is a structural opportunity. Lower friction, broader access, and policy certainty. IFSCA's message is clear: enable trade, support exports, and strengthen India's global bullion footprint. For deeper compliance insights or implementation guidance, stay connected. Moonsys and Management Consultants LLP, a trusted partner for SEZ and IFSC Excellence. A pioneer in establishing SEZ and IFSC units within GIFT City and India, delivering end-to-end IFSC setup, operational support, and handling compliances, risk management, renowned for deep expertise in regulatory approvals, capital markets, fund management, insurance, finance company, foreign university BTF, and ancillary regulations. A&D FinTech, expertise in customs clearance for aircraft and ship procurement, leasing, GST, DSPF, IFSCA comprehensive support covering registration, reporting, and regulatory transitions, ensuring ring fencing, transparency, and global compliance standards. Join our network, scan the QR codes below to stay connected with us.